Alright, hi guys. This is the first shipment of parts for my computer build. Okay, so here we have the Antec Tri-Cool 120mm blue LED fan for the case later on. And getting two more red. We have Arctic Silver 5 thermal compound over here, and an anti-static bag. These would be the two hard drives. One's already open. Alright, here we go. So the hard drives are a Seagate Barracuda 500GB with a 32MB cache. They're SATA 2s. The reason I chose these over the Western Digital Caviar SE16 is because of the cache. It's twice as big. And these are going to go in a RAID 0 configuration. So it's going to be a combined cache of 64MB. So hence faster speed. And I got these parts off of directcanada.com. They're an excellent company. They have really good prices because obviously they're direct. And I think it's a much better company than like Tiger Direct and stuff. I live in Canada, so Newegg isn't available to me. So Direct Canada is definitely the next best thing. It only took like a day to ship here, so it was excellent shipping, excellent service, and the parts are in great condition. So, really good, really secure shipping. So that is the first shipment. I'm going to get another package containing the disk drive and two more fans from this order. And I'll see you then. Bye.